Some places are visited, but Lake Como is a dream you step inside.
Before sunrise, the lake speaks softly through water, stone, and waiting light. Our dreamy day begins in Varenna, a fishing village painted along the eastern shore.
In the first light, Hana feels the world slow to the rhythm of the lake.
Here, morning arrives through opening shutters, wet flowers, and the scent of stone.
Every narrow lane leads downward, as though the whole village belongs to the water.
Sunlight reaches the rooftops first, then pours slowly across the sleeping lake.
Across the mist, Bellagio waits like another chapter of the same beautiful dream. The lover's walk bends above the lake, carrying Hana toward Varenna's old heart.
She needs no words, the cool air and shining water say enough.
Pastel houses rise from the shoreline, each balcony holding a small piece of summer. For generations, the lake has been both livelihood and teacher to Varenna's families.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno signorina, benvenuti a Varenna. Guardate questo.
È bellissimo, signore.
Un buongiorno apre la porta a una vita modellata dal tempo e dall'acqua.
His hands remember every knot, every wind, and every uncertain return home.
Qui la trasparenza cambia con il vento. Guarda i colori, i piccoli segni ti dicono tutto.
Yeah.
Hana realizes that beauty here is not scenery. It is a way of living.
Varenna awakens without hurry. One chair, one doorway, and one greeting at a time. Then the aroma of warm pastry turns the ancient lane into an irresistible invitation.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno. Inside the family cafe, Lake Como's elegance becomes simple, warm, and deeply human.
Breakfast is small but perfect. Cappuccino, warm cornetto, and time to enjoy both.
The pastry breaks softly, and sweet apricot tastes like sunshine preserved from summer.
Around Hana, neighbors trade news as naturally as they share the morning light.
Hospitality here is remembered in names, favorite tables, and coffee served without asking.
For a moment, Hana sees herself suspended between village life and the open lake.
A handmade heart in the foam becomes Varenna's quiet way of saying, welcome.
Refreshed, Hana returns to streets glowing warmer with every passing minute.
The village reveals itself through details too small for hurried travelers to notice.
Eccolo. Grazie mille, sei un angelo. Prego, è stato un piacere.
Every staircase frames the water differently, like a painting that changes with each step.
Varenna does not ask her to stay. It simply gives her a reason to return.
On Lake Como, ferries are moving bridges between villages, families, and daily routines.
As the deck moves beneath her, Hana feels the day opening in every direction.
The wake draws a bright road behind them, pointing back toward the quiet shore. From above, every boat writes a fleeting line across Lake Como's blue surface.
Hana closes her eyes, letting the wind carry away every thought of time.
Along the shore, villas appear between cypress trees, like stories hidden behind gardens.
For visitors, this is romance. For local people, it is simply the road home.
Guarda, Bellagio.
È il cuore del lago.
Bello, nonna.
Sì, il nostro cuore.
Ahead, Bellagio rises where the lake divides, elegant and perfectly placed between mountains.
The first glimpse feels familiar, as though Hana has dreamed of this arrival before.
With a soft collision of rope and stone, the dream reaches Bellagio.
Hana enters Bellagio in blue, matching the water that surrounds the peninsula. Bellagio greets her with polished facades, bright boats, and an effortless lakeside rhythm.
Salita Serbelloni climbs through color, fragrance, and centuries of footsteps worn into stone. Textures tell Bellagio's story. Rough stone, soft petals, and silk lighter than air.
Buongiorno, signorina.
Welcome.
Even in a small shop, Como's ancient relationship with silk quietly reveals itself.
The climb is steep, but every landing rewards her with another perfect frame.
A flower and a smile become a language that needs no translation.
At Bellagio's old square, sacred stone and ordinary life share the same sunlight.
Inside San Giacomo, the lively village gives way to shadow, candlelight, and reflection.
Hana pauses, grateful for a journey that feels both new and strangely timeless.
Beyond the postcard views, Bellagio tastes of mountain pastures and family recipes.
The flavor is earthy and bright, carrying the green slopes above the lake. A few streets away, Bellagio becomes a real neighborhood rather than a famous destination.
At Punta Spartivento, the lake opens around Hana like a world without edges.
Here, water chooses three paths, while every view seems to lead deeper into beauty.
Hana watches one sail pass slowly, wishing this quiet minute could remain forever.
Across the blue, villages appear close enough to touch, yet each keeps its own soul.
Oh, that's so kind of you. Thank you.
Prego, signorina. Beautiful smile.
Sorridi.
Yes, smile.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Spur strangers offer a small hand.
The photograph captures a view, but their warmth becomes the memory behind it.
Beyond the gates of Villa Melzi, nature and human design begin a graceful conversation.
Petals catch the light, while the lake waits quietly at the garden's edge. Under ancient trees, Hana feels the garden breathing with shade, fragrance, and memory. Stone, water, and living green meet here, without one element overpowering another. A hidden pond offers another world, composed in reflections and quiet balance. For 8 silent seconds, Hana forgets the journey and simply watches life move.
The path follows the shoreline, turning every step into a moving lakeside portrait.
The garden's effortless beauty is protected by patient hands working behind every perfect view.
Grazie mille per questi bei fiori.
Sono stagionali, ma curiamo il giardino con cura.
At midday, Bellagio glows brighter, and the scent of lunch drifts through the village.
Hana follows the aroma of butter and sage to a trattoria above the water.
In the kitchen, risotto begins with patience, heat, and constant attention. Lake perch meets butter and sage, filling the room with a distinctly Lemurian fragrance. Finished plate brings together the lake below and the pastures above.
When the dish arrives, Hana sees Lake Como translated into aroma, color, and warmth.
Grazie, sembra incredibile.
Prego, buon appetito.
Creamy rice, crisp fish, butter, and sage create a flavor both delicate and comforting.
Misoltini preserves an older memory, when lakefish had to survive beyond the season.
Eccolo, assaggia il misoltino con la polenta.
Delizioso.
The flavor is powerful, but Hana tastes the history that made it necessary.
Around Lake Como, mountain richness and freshwater simplicity belong on the same table. Polenta Uncia offers the comfort of mountain kitchens in every rich, warming spoonful.
The recipes survive because each generation learns beside the one that came before.
Miascia transforms humble bread and fruit into a dessert filled with home and memory.
Grazie mille, that was truly special. Prego, come back soon. I will. Arrivederci.
The afternoon begins on polished wood, with the lake itself becoming the road.
Thank you, Captain. This is exquisite. Welcome aboard, madam.
Every polished detail reflects Lake Como's enduring tradition of craftsmanship and design.
The bow lifts, the water opens, and Bellagio begins to drift behind them.
From above, Hana's journey becomes one bright line, moving between mountain shadows.
Speed turns the quiet lake playful, and Hana laughs into the rushing afternoon air.
Villages pass like living postcards, each gathered closely around its church and harbor.
Before modern roads, the lake carried workers, letters, food, and family news between shores.
That's incredible.
Lake Como has always held two worlds, humble work and extraordinary elegance. Around the wooded peninsula, Villa del Balbianello appears like architecture from a dream. The arrival by water reveals the villa exactly as travelers once experienced it.
Hana looks up, and every terrace seems suspended between forest, sky, and lake.
The garden never reveals everything at once. Each curve saves another surprise.
Even the trees become sculpture here, shaped patiently without losing their natural grace.
Hana walks through a landscape where every shadow feels carefully composed.
At the loggia, two arches open Lake Como like pages of an enormous book.
For one perfect moment, Hana stands between two horizons and forgets everything else. She understands why this villa has inspired travelers, artists, and stories of love.
Inside, elegance shares space with memories of expeditions, distant cultures, and fearless curiosity.
The explorer who lived here looked beyond beauty, always searching for the next horizon.
From the terrace, even a passing boat seems part of a carefully painted scene.
Balbianello disappears behind leaves, but its impossible beauty remains with Hana.
At the southern shore, the city of Como reveals the working heart behind the dream.
Hana enters streets where Roman roots, commerce, faith, and modern life meet.
Como Cathedral rises above the square, holding centuries of craftsmanship in stone.
Yet Como's most delicate legacy is woven not in stone, but in silk. Thousands of fragile threads move together, transforming precision into something almost weightless. Before weaving begins, every pattern is imagined through drawing, color, and years of experience. Machines create speed, but trained eyes and careful hands still protect perfection.
Bella. Wearing the scarf, Hana feels the knowledge of generations resting lightly on her shoulders. Beyond villas and silk, Como's true luxury is a life still shared in public. As evening approaches, Hana climbs toward Brunate for one final view of the day. With every meter, the city grows smaller, and the shape of the lake becomes clear. From Brunate, the entire day returns at once. Villages, ferries, gardens, and shining water.
Hana realizes Lake Como is most beautiful when everything becomes quiet.
Some dreams fade when morning comes. Lake Como is a dream meant to be lived.